Burroughs Tracts Real Estate has a great opportunity on December 27th to claim ownership of a 160-acre parcel selling for the Groesser family. This farm lies between Elmwood and Murdock, Nebraska in Cass County, directly northwest of Grandpa's Woods Golf Course. The possibilities are endless with a tract like this. The farm has 132.8 acres of tillable soil. This farm has boasted actual yields of 218 bushel an acre corn in 2021, and in 2022, the beans were at 38 bushels an acre. This piece of land also has development potential, being across the road from a popular southeast Nebraska golf course. The tract also has rural water located on the other side of the road to the north and east. Big white-tailed deer and turkeys have been seen on the farm as well. With Beaver Creek running through the southern side of the property, the recreational opportunities are endless. Truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to purchase such a diverse tract of land. Consider this your invitation on December 27th at 1 p.m. in Elmwood, Nebraska at the Fire Hall to purchase this great farm. Can't make it to the auction? Pre-bid and bid the day of the sale online at bid.shartauction.com. This listing is provided by B.J. Burroughs, broker and listing agent, and Clay Shart, auctioneer and listing agent, both with Burroughs Tracts Real Estate.